Hey, welcome back. So, you watched my previous videos and explore how to create a voice agent. So, I believe that you have the enough knowledge and understanding how to build a real enterprise level voice agent. And I'm gonna excited to show you how the voice agent actually gonna work in a live action. So, I have built an app which build your own smart voice agent. It's perfect for use cases like customer care, appointment booking, or even internal support. And the cool part, I built using same concept and building blocks using the previous videos series, which I talks about. And I recommended you to go back and understand the fundamentals, how to build a voice agent, the protocols, and which kind of like stack which you need to follow, and how the agent pipeline you need to build, and how the flow needs to be defined. So let me walk through about the app. So this is um, Voice Agent app where you can create your own customized voice agent, and all you need to give is like voice agent name, and it has LLM providers with mm, model choice with GPT-4 Turbo or Gemini, and it has a auto-generated system prompt for your agent. For example, if you wanted to write a assistant for general purpose, you can say, "Hello, how can I help you today?" Of course, it's fully customized for your brand and your product, and it has a inbuilt speech to text and text to speech capabilities. I use the provider DeepRam, OpenAI, and Google, and text to speech is 11 Labs and natural voice like Rachel or Adam. So to understand, I make it more smarter. I created a LLM to LLM call simulation. So it's a mode when customer like persona talks to the voice agent, it understand and it's try to help in a real kind of a scenario. I created a snippet where I inform the LLMs to be act as it has a toothache and it needs to be ask for the doctor appointment. That's you're gonna see in a live action now. Let's see the conversation between two AI agents.
I can definitely help you find the earliest available appointment. To get started, could you please tell me your name and date of birth? Thank you, John. Just one moment while I check our appointment availability. Okay, John. Please hold while I access our system to check for the earliest appointment slots. This might take a minute or two. Thanks for your patience. You're welcome, John. I'll do my best to find something that works for you.
So it's going to understand the context between two people and respond accordingly. Here we keep LLM to talk with another AI voice agent, and it's almost like a real conversation. So AI is giving the data, but when the voice agent asks it, you can get a remote video preview so that you can see how your customers are responding during the call. Plus, there is text to speech support. So if you want to upload your voice recording to your system, transcribe them, and respond later. So that could be another solution. So I have built this voice agent, talk directly with large language model. It's kind of a super smartphone conversation between two AIs.